Will I be able to get international assignments for lending my voice through you? For online classes, I'm in India until January 10th, and after that, I'll be overseas. Do you recommend I enroll after I'm back overseas?
As per our schedule, we provide training once a week. But since our training is given on an individual basis and not in batches or groups of students, it can always be customized to your need. So in your case, within 20 days, it can easily be done with your final studio demo reel at our recording studio.
What's included in your fees?
The training is totally practical, to the point and customized to individual need. A brief overview consists of where to find work, how to apply for it professionally, and preparation required to become a voice artist. Knowledge about studio and home setup recordings, how to work on different genre of script with assignment and exposure to work on ongoing company life project. And finally, portfolio generation and voice bank submission at deepakvoice.com for future project.
Do you have to buy the sound kit based on your specifications?
Here the most important kit is voice and your mind, which will help you to perform. For recording purposes, you will need to go to a recording studio or record by yourself using a laptop, a mic at a quiet place. For our assignment and live project, a mobile is okay. And knowledge about mics, recording, editing will be given during the training.
Will I be able to get international assignments for lending my voice through you?
Check our international voices section at deepakvoice.com. We make films in all Indian and foreign languages. Your voice sample will be part of our international voice bank, and based on selection, you can definitely expect work from us. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see monthly projects and selected voice artists.
Will I also qualify to get assignments from India?
Yes, voice-over work offers immense possibilities from across the world based on your talent. But majority of the projects done for Indian masses require a neutral Indian English accent.
My first preference will be English and my second choice will be Hindi. It can be decided after my audition.
Yes, in your audition, we will be able to give you feedback on your voice type and suitability of your language and accent for various types of projects. For this work, you need to have a clear voice, which you have, good diction, and above all, performing ability and knowledge about reading different types of script. You need to be having an open-minded approach, creativity, observational, and have interest in doing this work.